In this tutorial, I will show you how you can upload CSV data on Power BI desktop. First, you will need to click on Start menu. In the search bar, write down Power BI. If you already have installed, so you can find the Power BI here and click on it. So this will open your new Microsoft Power BI desktop file. So I will click on Blank Report. This will open this new Power BI file. From here under Home tab, you will see Get Data option. Click on it, so I will upload 3 CSV file for this project. Click on CSV and go to your folder where you stored your CSV file. Click the CSV file and click on Open. Click on Load. And then I have more files, and again click on Get Data and CSV. Click on Load. Repeat the same steps to upload the third file. So how you can know that your data is loaded? So right now I have in the report view. Now I'm in the report view. Right side under your data pane, you will see Get the 3 data set available here. Feature data set, sensor reset, and store data set. If you want to see do we have data on this table, go to this table view. Anyway, so you will see the data. And when you click on the second one, so you will see the second data set. When you click on the third, so you will see the third data set. Go to the model view. You will see there is a relationship already built here. Thanks for watching. See you on next tutorial.